Yebo asingeneni ku hot topic yethu yanamhlanje lalelani. Hi 326 Express. I am a lady ane 31. Ndakarorwa ndiri mhandara 3 years ago. My husband was wealthy when I met him. Our marriage was so good. Everything was flowing. I was taken care of. Ndaitengerwa ndichipihwa zvese zvandaida. A little bit after we celebrated our first year anniversary, he just started acting suspicious, very jumpy and nervous. And in that week, akasungwa. Akatongerwa 10 years ari mujeri. And I have been consistent going to visit him. When I visit, we talk about everything. But for the last 3 visits, he has been trying to convince me to move on with someone else. He keeps saying it's unfair for me to ask you to wait for me for the 8 years, Dasara, knowing you have your personal needs. And Vedare, the truth is that I was so used to having him around, and the past 2 years have been difficult for me, if you know what I mean. So Chokwadi, I have my needs, and he is suggesting a way out for me. I am considering it because the truth is, after I found out Shimoshaya Akaita, I am convinced I don't fully know him. At the same time, he is my husband, and I can't leave him at his lowest, but I don't know if I can survive 8 years. What should I do, Vedare? Should I move on and not tell him? Please help. Your hot topic yet,
yeah, it is a hot one. This one is a hot one. So, a fairly newly married couple, have been married for about 2 years, and then in the second year, the man starts acting funny a week before he gets arrested.
Right.
And then what happens?
So he is acting funny, and then he gets arrested, and then gets sentenced to 10 years
in
prison. Yeah. So
and it's been 2 years. Has been in prison for 2 years.
For 2 years. So she's been visiting him consistently, and they're having conversation. And then this man comes out and says, "You know what? Yeah.
I mean, 8 years, Dasara. But 8 years isn't a really long time. It's not Saki. It's I've heard of other scenarios where. 25 years or me, you get it. But
yeah.
But this lady also then went on to say, Murume akasungwa ndakatozotanga kunota ndinyatsomuziva. So I think she has lost a bit of attraction there.
Yes, and a bit of confidence in the man.
In the marriage because, as well.
Yeah, and also figuring kuti and andisingamuzive if she had known maybe kuti ayo. It's not clear.
Okay, she did not
mention kuti mosha yake ndechi.
Saka kuti murume ati ini ndofunga kuti murume ari kurwadziwa ini, and he's just trying. I don't know what he's trying to do, but I don't think he means it. You get it? I think he's just saying. That's what I really think. I don't think anyone would want for their partner at their lowest to move on just like that. Saki, what do you think before I open my phone lines?
I think this lady, she knows the truth. She knows what she's feeling. And if this man has given her an outing, then the man has said it. She can take it, especially if she's already saying that she doesn't see herself surviving these 8 years.
But someone says 8 years, the mujeri is like 5 years because they don't count my weekends. So hands are not gonna zoka soon. So if we make it 5 years, do you think it's a long time?
5 years is a lot, Donna. It's a long time. I promise you, 5 years.
Yeah, 2 years. We're going to be opening our phone lines courtesy of Hamilton Insurance. You let us know where you stand on this hot topic. 0772162651. Someone says maybe he's considering her biological clock.
She's 31. By the time he's out of prison, she's probably 37, 38.
Menopause. Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, you live.
Guys, how are you doing?
Good, thank you. What's your contribution, Mundiwa?
Yeah, contribution. I don't think it works. Look, if these guys love each other, 10 years is not a long time. Plus, finish not about conjugal. You are allowed to go and visit your spouse, and then you are intimate. But I'm more worried. Nini is more on the material side. Why? Because 10 years not going to put on good behavior. It can be 3, 4, 5. Who knows? But it happened. Would catch people better or worse. That's what we mean. That's the worst. So apa murume adangoti approve kuti uri wangu here or you're not.
He doesn't really mean it, isn't it?
He doesn't mean it. No one would want their wives to move on and go and be with another man whilst they're in prison. They want the support, but he doesn't want to seem like a bit unfair. But all he wants to hear from the wife is, you know what, I'm not going to do that. So if she's not wise, she might then make the wrong decision, make the wrong choice, and suffer for it for the rest of her life. I just don't think it's a good idea to move on simply because you want to be affectionate.
Yeah. Okay. Someone says ngango wana wepa side kusvika murume wacho adzoka.